guys, what is up? I'm straight out of the shower and I'm going to show you how I finger coil my hair. I think I used the same products in my shower as I did in the last tutorial, but if not, I'll link them below. I used the Garnier Hair Food conditioner and the Alpha Parf Semi Delino moisture shampoo. When I got out of the shower, I used the Olaplex No. 6 Bond Smoother leave-in conditioner and I brushed that through about 5 or 10 minutes ago. I like to do this in a middle split, but you can do it anywhere you like. First of all, I'm going to tie one section up out of the way. Now we're going to divide this into sections too. Key to finger coiling is going in the direction of the curl itself. So my curls generally twist towards my face. So just take a section. I'm not too careful about what sections I have because you can sort of loosen them out later. So what we'll move next is the curl defining cream and gel. I'm using the Aveda, the Curly Curl Enhancer. You have to remortgage your house to be able to afford this, and then the Cantu Natural Define and Shine Custard. Because you're only doing it in tiny sections, I just use like a tiny amount of each and make sure all the hair is coated in the gel. And then I'm going to take a section, and again, I'm not too careful about my sections. I just take a section, twist around with both my hands, twist, twist, twist. So I'm twisting it forward towards my face. And then when it feels really tight, like it's sort of starting to pull upwards, like you can see it's sort of got a kink there. Hopefully you can see that. Then I roll it up, hold it there, and then let it come down gently, and then you can just sort of pull on it. And you can see it sort of forms this curl, and then I scrunch them later with a bit extra gel, so I'll just scrunch that one a little bit. So I've done my whole head except for the two front bits here. So like if you've bangs or anything like that, I'm going to twist these. So all the other ones were twisted towards my face. I'm going to twist these away from my face just so that they aren't driving me mental. It's dark now, my bedroom's a mess, but this is the oil I'm gonna so I just dried it obviously, and this is the oil I'm gonna use to scrunch out the crunch, and it's the Inculist Shea Oil Nourishing Hair Treatment, and I'm just gonna scrunch my hair and then flip it upside down and sort of separate some of the curls because I did it in such big clumps. I had to come down to my studio to film this because the light is so bad up in my room and I didn't want to lug my lights upstairs. Oh, help me, I'm poor. So I came downstairs. Oh my god, I look 500 years old. I do find that this lasts a lot longer than the method I showed you before because obviously there's more structure to it. But yeah, I think this method really works, especially if you're tying your hair up all the time. My hair does get really knotty though. Maybe I should show it from the back. I'd say it looks like shit though, to be honest. How's it looking? Tell me the truth, how's it looking? The back of your head is ridiculous. Thank you. Another up close shot. Oh god, put the chin away, Sarah. Oh my god, my teeth look so brown up this close. Yeah, that's better. Just get the neck in. I hope you liked this video, you guys, and I hope you got some ideas. It does take a lifetime, but I really like the results. I will see you next time on Judge Judy. No. Banter. Okay, wrap this up. It was great hanging out with you. It really was. Emotional. Make sure to follow me. Follow me on the gram. Do kids say the gram anymore? Did they ever? Don't even bother following me. I wouldn't. Bye! Bitches.